The road rehabilitation project is coming at a time when citizens of the territory are clamoring for attention on the dilapidated state of many roads in the FCT.
Very soon, work will commence on 1616 road and Batango road in Bwari.
In Lanto, Chetugo community is happening in Kilankwa, is happening in Pei, is happening in Bazango, is happening in Nyanya, is happening in Jikwoi.
Roads that were flagged off were the 1.5 kilometer Sabongari-Kurudu, 1.4 kilometer Sabongari and 6 kilometer Labour Camp Road, Nyanya. Senator representing FCT, Senator Philip Aduda, assured the host communities that the roads will be completed before the rains.
The contracts were awarded, contracts were signed from the Ministry of Works, and I don't control that and I don't work in the Ministry of Works. So what I've been able to do is what I'm doing now. But let me say that we're working on roads in Gwagwalada, we're working on roads in Kwali, Apai, Abaji. We're also working on roads in Kuje.
Contractor from the Ministry of Works, Engineer Yakubu Usman, says the contract was awarded in November with completion period of 12 months. He promised that they will work assiduously to ensure that the dividends of democracy is brought to the people.
The scope of work consists of construction of the existing road to a standard federal specification, with 200 millimeter lateral sub-base, 150 millimeter crushed stone base, and then 50 millimeter asphaltic wearing course.
He added that there will be construction of drainages so that the roads will stand the test of time. In Abuja, Ifani Izumba, NT News.